Today we get to showcase a beautiful home in a beautiful neighborhood in East Abbotsford. Sitting on over half an acre and overlooking your private nature reserve is this Spanish style home. You got RV parking, you got a covered outdoor space, and you got this sun-soaked rooftop deck. Let's go check it all out. You've seen everything that this awesome home and beautiful property has to offer. If you want to set up a showing, reach out to your realtor, look us up on Instagram at Leffers and Rook, or give us a call 604-866-1300.